The opposition People's National Party says it's not in favor of vaccine mandates. PNP President Mark Golding made the assertion at a press briefing today. The details in this report.
The debate of vaccine mandates in Jamaica is intensifying, with the parliamentary opposition People's National Party now adding its voice. Leader Mark Golding believes it's unfair to implement mandatory vaccination if citizens do not have any recourse in law.
There is no indemnification offered by the government, or as I understand it, by the manufacturers of the vaccines, if somebody has an adverse reaction. How are you going to mandate somebody that they must take a vaccine if you're not prepared to stand behind them with indemnification if they get sick or otherwise suffer an adverse reaction? I don't see that as possible.
Jamaica and other countries had to sign indemnity documents protecting vaccine manufacturers from being sued by citizens before they could start receiving supplies of the jabs. Mr. Golding believes the government should offer incentives to Jamaicans to encourage them to get vaccinated.
Not through a bureaucratic process like the CARE program with online applications and failed delivery of the benefits, but an immediate benefit that somebody gets upon being vaccinated, which a voucher of some kind that can be redeemed to help people put food on the table. I think that might help people to make up their mind as well. I believe that the approach that's been taken between the various employer groups and the Joint Trade Union Confederation to work out the procedures to be followed at the workplace in relation to vaccination, a risk-based approach with due process, is the correct approach.
And as the country awaits the Prime Minister's announcement, the opposition wants all Jamaicans to join the fight against COVID-19.
We strongly believe that vaccination is the right thing to do. I am vaccinated. The entire shadow cabinet is vaccinated. And we've encouraged everyone to get vaccinated.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.